Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make graphs on Google Sheets. So make sure you have your data ready, and I'm just going to select the cells that has the data, and I'm going to select insert chart, and here is where you can change the chart type. You have this one, which is basically like a graph, which are these like lines, or like this one, or like that one. I think I'm just going to use this one though. You can choose either the standard stacking or none, or like the 100% one. I'm just going to select none for this one, and then you can also change the colors. So go to customize and choose the, hold on, where is it? I think it's in the legend, if I'm not mistaken, or oh, it's here. Just select the like series, so you can change the fill color to like another color if you want. Just going to choose this one, and also for this one I'm going to change it to this one too. And again, you can edit and customize the graphs on here. You can even change the background color if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And you can change the font too here, and even the chart border color. But yeah, that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!